Right, assalamu alaikum bonkers, and welcome back. This is the bonk update again, 1413. You're making the channel, continuation of the channel, and now you're stuck and you have stopped pumping one more time. And now we've talked about the reason why you're going to stop pumping, and the reason is that I think bonk has to come down and retest this trend line that it has broken out of, and that is going to be 1284. So eventually you might actually expect in the next coming few candles a move to the downside to 1277. Now if you do hold up 1277, you have a good chance of actually pumping all the way up maybe to that 1588 particular price area, and that could actually be amazing move to the upside if it actually does happen. I don't really have a lot of comment to say because right now it has been stuck since yesterday, and all you're doing right now is you're moving sideways at the moment. And then again, not only does Pepe have this resistance, but Bitcoin also have the resistance. And I want to show you Bitcoin, and I'm going to make a separate update, by the way. If you want to watch Bitcoin update on the channel, please do so. But yes, you can see that when Bitcoin actually pumped up, you can see that there's a 4-hour time frame resistance. So the number one is that you had one resistance move down, second resistance move down, third resistance here, and there's a chance you go down and not pump up. And the reason why I say you're going to go down from here, even though you can actually just break, and there's a stop loss at 106 or maybe 107,000. If you make it up to 107,000, then you're just going to continue to go all the way to the upside. But the reason why I do say that you're going to go down is because this is the fourth wave of the Elliott wave theory. So if you go with the wave count, this is like 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and the 5 doesn't make sense to go up, it's just going to go down, right? So basically to complete the fifth wave, it has to come down perhaps maybe below the third wave, of course, and that can actually even be $94,000. It could even be a flat double bottom here at 98,000. It is between 98 or 94, whatever that is. But the take is that it is going to go down, right? And it is going to go down in such a way that bonk also is going to follow down as well. So that's the biggest hint, that bonk has to go down. Of course, the change happens when Bitcoin goes to $107,000, and if Bitcoin moves to 107, then perhaps bonk is just going to continue all the way from here. Now if that actually happens, then as I've been saying in so many videos now, that if this happens, you have an opportunity. Either you short here with a stop loss, if it breaks, you get stopped out, you can try a long position again, right, after the retest, of course. And if you just get rejected here, you have a nice incredible win all the way down to 1036. So let's see how the scenario really is. I don't recommend you to just trade in the middle of nowhere. One more thing is that yes, I've actually shown you this trend line that has broken out of, but there's a unpopular opinion, or maybe just a suggestion, that this could also be another problem, that bonk has also find this as resistance. If you notice, just sort of here, that's another hidden resistance if someone didn't notice. So you see, even Bitcoin has this resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Bonk also have the resistance on the 4-hour time frame as well, as you can see, and it is possible it can get rejected and then go down as well. So it is unclear. It is very unclear what to do in the middle of the channel. So just don't play a risky game when these coins are in the middle of the channel. So that's it for the video. If you want to take trades along with me, we're still opened up for Q3 and July. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Office.